Hello, beautiful people. I am so excited to be back in Austin, Texas, back on US soil, and doing a talking head video. Vlogging is no joke, and the last 5 weeks have been quite the challenge. Mad respect to all you daily vloggers out there. You're a little bit crazy. In this video, I'm going to be announcing a giveaway that I am very excited about, and I have a feeling you will be too. For the past several months, I have been working hard on putting together a do-it-yourself video roadmap course that walks you entirely through how to film professional-looking video on your own at 3 different tier levels. So from iPhone to pro consumer cameras like the Panasonic GH5. So I tell you exactly what gear you need, how to set up that gear, how to edit the full step-by-step that you'll need to know, as well as how to promote the videos that you film. I am so excited to get this out into the world, but I have quite a few things left to do on my end before I can truly get it out there. I have to create a webinar, I have to write emails and do all this back-end marketing stuff that I bet a lot of you are very good at, but I am just starting down this journey. So while I'm doing that, I want to give you guys an opportunity to get access to this course early. The way this contest is going to work is there are 2 different ways that you can apply. If you happen to do both of the ways to apply, then you are going to get your name put in twice into a drawing that I will do live on Instagram Monday morning at 10 a.m. So if you aren't already following me and you plan to enter, then be sure to follow me on Instagram. The deadline to apply is going to be this Sunday on the 29th at midnight because we'll be doing the drawing on Monday morning. So if you are looking to apply, be sure to put a section in your calendar to do the following 2 things. So the first is to fill out a survey. The truth is, you guys might feel like you know me pretty well at this point, but it's really challenging to figure out who you are. I would love to know what kind of business you're running, or if you're working for a business, what that business is and what your role is within it, as well as why you're looking to do video and what obstacles are holding you back. I'm going to be using the answers from this survey to create content that is truly in alignment with what you need. So if you're getting value from this channel and you want to continue getting even more value, then be sure to fill out the survey. The second option or step, if you'd like to take both, which if you do, I will give you a big old virtual hug, thank you very much, is to send me a testimonial video. Now, this is also an opportunity for you to film a video and use all the things that I have been talking about on this channel. So, film a video of something that you've learned from this channel, talking about where you were prior to finding my channel and now where you are today. This might be as simple as gaining clarity on the content you should be creating for your business, or gaining confidence to go live for the first time, or do Instagram stories, or whatever it might be. I would love to hear your story and share it with others that are in your same shoes. Because ultimately, I believe that the more people I can get sitting where I am right now, sharing their expertise with the world, the better the world will be. In order to send your testimonial video, just use WeTransfer.com, which allows you to send up to 2 gigabytes of footage, and you can send it to this email. So that is all that you need to know. Remember to do this before September 29. The link to the survey is below, and you can send the testimonial to this email, and I'll see you Monday morning on Instagram at 10 a.m. And if you're one of those weird people that doesn't have Instagram and would still like to apply, then no worries, I will announce it to you via email as well. I so appreciate any insights that you're willing to give, and I do not take this ask lightly. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.